Hello! Good day, good afternoon. Mainit na naman, fresh na fresh. Nag-react si Donald Trump dun sa interview ni Barack Obama about alien. Barack Obama nagsabi, naniniwala siya aliens are real. Then, nag-react si Donald Trump. I hope nakita nyo ngayon sa social media, mainit na mainit. So, may ilan na naman nagtatanong, alien na naman tayo. Remember, even sa Bible, meron ng belief about that. When I say alien, in principle, they are connected with the existence of non-human form. So, sa Bible, ang ginamit nila ay they are considered as Nephilim. So, although there are three basic beliefs regarding that. At yung dalawa, popular, yung isa naniniwala, most Bible scholars believe aliens are demonic. They are actually evil. You know, they are fallen angels as actually supported sa Bible. Alam natin, they are not completely human. They are existing outside sa human realm. So, that's one view. Another view would state they are not angelic and they are not demonic, but they are another phenomenon, another existence. Hindi sila demonyo, hindi sila masamang espiritu, but they're also existing aside from that. So human, non-human, that non-human include fallen angels at the same time connected with the demonic forces. And some would say another third position, third belief, they are not demonic, but they are actually extraterrestrial form of existence. So, yun lang. Even sa mga non-canonical book ng Bible, non-canonical book, meaning yung mga hindi nasama sa Protestant Evangelical book ng Bible, sa Book of Enoch, very obvious. May mga ganyan mga statement about the non-human form as existing together kasama ng mga tao na nabubuhay noon. So yun lang, and I hope yung ilan na nagtatanong ay naliwanagan. Maraming